Matthew 6:33. But seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added to you. When we seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, we step into a life where provision follows. It begins with faith, but faith through deeds and willing hands that serve and give.
If I lost it all and I still had you, I would trade my heart for a moment or two.
Yeah, what I are saying is this is a big bug.
100.
It's 100.
Voorste is 260. 570. Mooi.
Ons gaan hierdie ouetjie skink vir die kerk.
As jy kan sien die wind is nie baie maklik nie. Dis vir 'n goeie doel wat ons doen.
So if I lose it all, I still have you.
My laaste een het ek hom maar net gejaag.
Still have you.
Dankie tati.
Koppie laat die 50 rand dan, hè?
Aliko.